Create your own music but didn't know where to start? In this tutorial, I'm going to guide you step by step on how to create a song using your own voice. And here's the best part. Whether you think you can sing well or not, AI can help transform your voice and make it sound beautiful. Let's get started.
Now go to Suno AI, go to your browser and type suno.com. Alright. So when you type suno.com, display this interface. Okay. So make sure you sign up. Make sure you sign up with your Google account. Alright. Make sure you sign up with your Google account. Now, I'm going to zoom in. You see, this is the icon that displays audio, personal, and inspo. Okay. So this audio, this is where you can actually upload an existing recorded song of your choice. Yes, you can upload it from here. Right. So when you talk about personal, it's just like telling Suno AI, this is an artist song. I want you to create something similar to it. Okay, so you can now paste your lyrics on it to generate the kind of the mood of the song and every other thing. All right, so for the inspo, it actually means the mood, the genre, or the vibe you want to borrow. Okay, yeah, I'm not into music, but you should make a thorough research on it. Okay, instead of energy that you want, what the tempo, the emotional tone or arrangement feel. So that is the difference between the personal and the inspo. Okay, so now we are not working with any of this. We want to sing our own song and we want to turn it. We want Suno AI to modify it. Okay, so now you're going to select audio. Now when you select audio, they're going to give you two options. It's either you upload a song for your gallery or you record a song. Okay, it's either you upload a song for your gallery or you record a song. So I'm going to select record. Yeah, when you select record, it's going to bring you to this interface. So I'm going to select record. Right, I've selected record. Actually, I cannot be talking and recording at the same time. So once I'm done recording the song I want, a song as the spirit lead. So I'll come back. All right, I'm done with my song. So most times Suno AI can be funny. I actually want to play it, but it said I should save it. So let me click on save. Let me save it. As you can see, it is loading. So my click, right? So it's done loading. As you can see, this is the song that I recorded. So what I'm going to do next, I'm going to click on it and I'm going to select remix. So when I click on remix, when I scroll down, I'm going to see open in studio, open in editor, cover, extend, and all the rest. Right now we're going to select cover. We're going to select cover. So it's going to display this. This is the song. This is the song. All right. So if I scroll down now, you see a lot of it. This is the song. Okay. Then when you click here, I'm going to say start selecting save. And once you select continue, select continue. All right. Now you are going to select advanced options. So the redness, you can choose, you can reduce it. Then you can, the style influence, you can increase it to 100 or 90. Then the audio influence. All right. And that is it. Then for these styles, I'm going to choose female. So I want a female vocalist to feature it because I use a feminine voice. Okay, probably if you are working with a male voice, I think you should use a male voice as well. Yeah, use a male voice. All right, so after this now, I'm going to click on create. Okay, so I'm going to listen to before and after. So let me click on create. Alright, it's creating our song for us. So I'm going to listen to the before and after. Alright, so we're going to listen to the one I recorded. Yeah, the one I recorded, and we are going to listen to the remix. Yes, the remix. So I'm going to click on the one I recorded here on Suno AI. Okay, remember? I'm going to play it. All right, yes, I'm going to pause for now. Okay, I'm going to pause. So let's listen to the results. Let's listen to the results. Actually, when you select create, it's going to generate 2 songs for you. So I'm going to choose the one you prefer. Okay, so let's listen to it and see the amazing results. So let me click on the first one. It's beautiful. This is, oh my goodness, this is amazing. You have to try this out too. You don't even need to have a beautiful voice. Can you see my voice? Can you see it? Can you see what it actually gave me? The amazing results it gave me. So I want to see amazing results. Okay, this is wonderful. This is wonderful. I love the 2 of them. I love the 2 of them. So after generating your beautiful song, you have to select the one you prefer. You see this 3 icon, this 3 dot that is here. Click on it and click on download. Let me tell you something. After click on download, you're going to see MP3. So you're going to select MP3 and you download your song. You can as well remix it, you know, you can still as well remix it. Probably if it doesn't give you what you really want, you can remix it. Okay, so my song has been downloaded. I'm going to download the 2 of them because they are so beautiful, and the emotional part of it, this song is wonderful. You know, this song is wonderful. I just try to, you know, craft out something, and as when we have it was so beautiful. So you can, yes, you can do it. You can think about something, maybe it's something God has done for you. You can use it to craft out a song. You can as well go to your Bible. From there you can, you know, from there you can get an inspiration to craft out a song as well. You can as well go to ChatGPT to generate songs for you. You can as well come here in Suno AI. You can type whatever thing you want and it's going to generate it for you. And let me tell you this. Let me tell you this before you say that I did not inform you about this. This Suno AI, I actually subscribe to it. Yes, it is paid. You can as well create yours with the free version, but I will advise you to get the paid one. It's going to give you an amazing result. There's no how you compare a free Suno AI to the paid one. The paid one will give you what you want. Yes, I'm using the paid one, and this is why it gave me this amazing result. So if you want to commence or start up a channel that has to do with music, yeah, whether it's TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, or Instagram, I would advise you to get the paid one. Get the paid one and get amazing results. All right, I believe you learned something from this tutorial. And that's it. Now you know how to create your own music with your voice using AI. If you enjoyed this tutorial or learned something new, give this video a thumbs up and share it with someone who would love to make music too. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell and share with your friends. And I'll see you in the next video.